So this is a basic dump swing drill. So you have two cones where me and Kamesh are standing. We are the throwers. We have Rahul Chennai who's the handler, and you have the stack, which is about 10 meters from the furthest blue cone. So we'll just run a basic demo of the drill. Drill is at 50%. So Chennai first cuts to the first blue cone and comes back, and as soon as I throw the disc to him, he automatically swings the disc to the opposite side. So the main focus of this drill is as soon as you dump the disc from the sideline to the center, you swing it to the other side. Now when we run it at 100%, it is also a case of endurance. You have to keep doing it until you get 10 completions. So we'll just run it once at 100%, but this time we'll go from both sides. So now first Kamesh will throw. So Chennai cuts, and as soon as he gets the disc, he throws to, he doesn't stop, then the forehand side, and the cycle continues. Now one thing for the cutters to keep in mind is the break side cut should not be horizontal. It should be 45 degree to the front cone. So imagine Rahul has the disc. So now that side. Taruna cuts diagonally to the front cone. It shouldn't be a horizontal cut. Golna, make a horizontal cut. Yeah, it shouldn't be a horizontal cut like this. So this is one important thing to keep it in mind. We'll run this at 100%. One completion is after forehand and backhand side is complete. So Rahul Chennai, for example, is now running 2 completions. So big part of this is even when you are tired, the throws has to, it makes sure that you throw correctly to your man, and you do this naturally, which is dump and swing. Okay, so the important things to keep in mind are, first, make sure that you complete, as a handler, you complete all your passes. So this can be done with like 3-4 cutters in the stack, but you have to make sure that all your passes hit the target. So a good way to keep track of it is you keep doing this until you make 10 completions, which are 10 completed passes. So, and the second thing is, as told earlier, the cutters shouldn't make horizontal cuts. Even in a game, as soon as the handler gets the dump to the center, the first in stack or the secondary cut makes a diagonal cut to the break side as shown in the video. And finally, the next progression or the next thing which you can add to this is, after you get the dump to the center, you can do a pump fake, backhand pump fake to the flow side and throw an IO. On the other side, it will be do a forehand pump fake and throw an IO. So yeah, these are the 3 things.
Thanks, buddy.